So most people open ElevenLabs, pick a voice, paste their script, and just hit generate. And yeah, it sounds decent, but there's a whole layer of control inside ElevenLabs that almost nobody uses. And once I found it, I couldn't go back. I'm Krish, and on this channel I show you how to actually get more out of AI tools. Today I'm showing you ElevenLabs audio tag feature, which basically lets you direct your AI voice like you direct an actor on set. So here's the thing. By default, when ElevenLabs reads your script, it's making its best guess at how each line should sound. Sometimes it nails it, but sometimes it sounds flat, or too upbeat, or just off. Audio tags fix that. They're little bracketed cues you drop directly into your script, and the V3 model reads them as stage directions. Not out loud, but it just performs accordingly. I'll show you what I mean. So, say you're narrating something, and you want a line to land with a bit of weight. You'd write something like this. Hit generate. That single tag changes the whole delivery.
This is the part most people skip over, and it's the reason their content sounds generic.
The voice slows down slightly, lowers in tone, sounds more intentional. Now try the same line without the tag, and you'll hear the difference immediately.
This is the part most people skip over, and it's the reason their content sounds generic.
The ones I actually use all the time? For high energy moments, when you want something to feel intimate, like you're letting the viewer in on a secret. For a more human, conversational feel between beats, like you're just talking, not performing. And for a beat of silence without manually cutting the audio. And you can even stack them. So something like gives you this tense, quiet delivery that feels genuinely performed. Try it once and you'll start putting tags in everything. My favorite is the laugh. Drop it right before a casual line, and suddenly the AI sounds like it's genuinely in on the joke. That's the thing that flips the switch from, this sounds like AI, to, wait, is that a real person? And that's what actually keeps people watching. Honestly, before I found this, I was regenerating the same line 6, 7 times trying to get the right delivery. Now I just tell it what I want and it does it. It's not perfect every single time. You might need to generate a couple versions, but it gets you there so much faster. And for content creators especially, the difference between a flat narration and one that actually has personality, that's everything. If you use ElevenLabs for any kind of content, try dropping one of those tags into your next script. And subscribe, because I'll be covering more secrets on AI tools like this for you to use and improve your content.